Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you pear and ginger Eve's pudding. So I hope you're all going to enjoy this recipe. I'm going to show you the ingredients what we're going to be using for today. Right everybody, I'm going to show you the ingredients what we're going to be using for today. Just going to move these bowls over. We've got some flour. We've got some baking powder, some ginger powder and a little bit of salt. We've got some caster sugar. We've got granulated sugar. We've got some ground almonds. We've got our pears. These are desert pears, what I got out of my garden, so I'm going to just make use of those because we've got a lot on the tree still. We've got some butter. We've got some stem ginger syrup. Got our eggs. Got some more butter. And we've got some stem ginger, which is the actual ginger itself, and a bit of fresh ginger. So those are our ingredients what we're going to be using. So I'm going to show you the process what we're going to be doing today. Everybody, so we're going to start the process. We've got a small saucepan, which is just a small milk pan or a small pot. I'm going to put some heat underneath that. You want a medium to high heat, and into that you're going to put your butter. So you want to get out as much of your butter as you can. You're just going to let that melt down. You're almost just making a caramel, and into that you're going to be putting our granulated sugar. So remember, it's your granulated sugar, and then you're going to put in 2 teaspoons of your stem ginger syrup. So you're just going to get this going. So all what you're doing is just making a syrup, so that's going to be your first process out of the way. So you've got this on your heat, so you're just going to use this until it turns into a caramel. So I'm going to do this, and then I'll be back with you when it's near to it. Right, so we've got this on the fire. We're just going to give it a stir every now and then, so you're looking for a caramel colour when you know it's done. So in the meanwhile, we've got our butter. Which is our other butter what we add. So that's our butter. We've got our sugar going in there as well. We're going to be doing this with the electric whisk this time. So we're just going to blend this together. Meanwhile you're doing this, you just keep an eye on your butter and your sauce. Right, so we've got that to there. Then we're going to add our eggs. So you want large eggs for this. So that's your eggs in. I'm going to just give this a whiz in. Right, just keeping an eye on it. So you're just going to give this a stir every now and then. Then to this, back to this mixture now, we're going to start adding our flour. Do a bit at a time. So we've got our flour and everything in. Just getting the sides off. Still got our sugar, just keeping an eye on that. And into that now we're going to add our baking powder, of ginger powder, and a little bit of salt. And then we're going to add our almonds into that as well. So we've got our mixture all mixed in. You can see that's a nice smooth mixture what you're going to have. I'm going to put that to one side. That's almost done. I just got to. Then we've got our butter and our sugar and our stem ginger. Just waiting for that to get the colour what we want. Right, and into this meanwhile now you're doing that. This is going to be the sticky part. You just want to put your stem ginger in. So you can cut this how big or how small you want. You don't have to be precise with this. So you're just cutting it into little cubes. So I'm going to do this, and then once I've done that I'll be back with you. Right, so we've got our caramel. We've got it to the colour what we want now. I'm just going to give that a good stir in. I'm going to take the heat off, turn the heat off now. So that's the colour what you're looking for. So I'm just going to put that to one side so I don't hit it. I'm going to carry on with my stem ginger. And I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got our stem ginger in, and then we're going to put in our stem ginger syrup. So if you want to follow along, all the ingredients is in the shopping list. If you like what you're seeing, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, just leave them in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. If you want us to see us do any other recipes, just let me know, and we'll see if we can get the ingredients to do it. So got our, that's all our cake mixture all done. You can see that's nice and fluffy. So I'm going to put that to one side. See, our caramel sauce is ready. So I'm going to put that to one side as well. And I'm going to do our pears now. So these are pears what come out of my garden. So we just want to give these a quick peel. Then we're going to off them, and then we're going to add the caramel to them. So I'll be back with you in a minute. So we've got our pears, and we're going to grate our ginger into that. So just a bit of fresh ginger. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to get back to you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got our pears and our ginger. So to that we're going to pour our caramel over it. We're just going to give that a quick toss through. So as you can see, it's going to be sticky. Right, so we've got that through. We've got our plate what we're putting it in. So I'm just going to take out the pieces and then put them neatly as I can into it. So you just put in there everything in. So I'm going to do this and I'll be back with you in a minute. Everybody, so we've got our caramel into our plate, into our dish with our pears. And we're going to put our sponge mixture in now. I'm just going to spoon it on. And this is going to go in the oven for 1 hour. You want your oven, if you've got a fan oven, it's 160, which would be gas mark 3 to 4. Then halfway through this, you're going to be covering it with some foil. You're going to just spoon on your mixture. So you just want to get your mixture on as even as you can. So I'm just going to get all this rest out. So this is going to go in your oven now. So you get your foil on the standby because you're going to need it in about half an hour's time. So I'm going to put this in my oven. Once I've done that, just going to let it do its own thing. And I'll be back with you once we're putting the foil on, then I'll be back with you. Right everybody, so we've had this in the oven now for about half an hour. We're going to take it out and then cover it. Oh my god, I think got a bit of a problem here. think what I've done, I put too much. I'm sure what the mixture what I've done was for this size plate, but never mind. I'm going to take it out and put it on a tray. So I'll be back with you in a minute. I'm just going to sort out a tray to put this on. Right everybody, we've had it overflowing a little bit. I think it's the oven shelf what it was on, was tipping it forward, so I'm just going to put it on in a tray with a bit of greaseproof paper. Then just going to cover this with foil. Be careful because this plate is still hot. Then we're going to put this back in our oven for another half an hour. Right everybody, so we've had it in the oven now for the hour. Take it out and have a look at it. Just going to bring in the camera a bit. So that's what you want to see. And the skewer's coming out clean, so that's nice and ready. So I'm going to let that cool down. I'm going to have it with some custard. So if you like this one, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. And if you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. This is our pear and ginger Eve's pudding, so that's what it looks like when it comes out the oven. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.